Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make sourdough muffins. If you have a sourdough starter, you know that discard can accumulate. This easy recipe is a fantastic way to transform that discard into something truly delicious. We'll create moist, tender muffins with a delightful, subtle tang. The best part? This entire process, from mixing to baking, takes only about 30 minutes, making it perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. Let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sourdough discard, and half a cup of milk. Also, grab 1 large egg, half a cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. For leavening, we'll use 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and for flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These basic items are all you need for a wonderful batch of muffins. Now for the fun part, mixing and baking. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine all your wet ingredients. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring just until combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so be gentle. Fill 12 muffin cups about 3/4 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. To ensure your muffins are perfect, remember a few tips. Do not overmix the batter. A few lumps are fine and will result in a tender crumb. For a delicious variation, fold in about 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Once baked, let them cool in the muffin pan for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve these warm, delightful sourdough muffins with your favorite coffee or tea for a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.